What is up, guys and girls? This is William here, and I'm back for another video. So this one was actually a really fun video to make, and kind of irritating as well, and that is putting in new radiator and radiator hoses. I bought like a radiator hose kit. This one here. Damn it, fine. Alright, so back to the point. Yeah, I recorded this video like 2 months ago. I recorded it in March, so it's actually quite old, and I've just gone around editing it now. So yeah, and then I realised I missed the intro and outro, but basically putting the new radiator in, and it looks really nice. I'm gonna do a full radiator hose rebuild, not rebuild, but like install. But I completely slipped my mind. I did that one and the one down the bottom, but I forgot to do the hoses in there and the ones back there. So I forgot about that, unfortunately, so now I can't really be bothered to take the radiator out and then like do a full flush again. So none of that for now. As you can see, give you a sneak peek, something's changed and it looks really sick. A couple other bits and pieces I did, and I'll make a video about that. I'm hoping there's going to be more videos coming up and more fun videos, and I hope some of you guys, well, if there is anyone watching, can subscribe, and I really hope to be doing keep making these videos. So please sit back, enjoy the video. Hopefully it was helpful. It's more of just a fun thing to do, an experience, see if I can do it, and I was able to do it. Alright, so finally got that hose in, this hose in. It looks so cool. I just need to put the air intake back in. Got the hose down there done. Alright, so it's the next day. I've got the radiator in. I've just filled it up with standard water. I'm just going to see if I can get any flushing going, but I'll just give it a quick start up now. First start up as well. Back up with water, go to the petrol station, that'll get the coolant flowing, do another flush, maybe another one after that, and I should be pretty sweet then. I'll fill it up with my coolant. 2 months later and it's still going fine. I haven't had a problem with it yet. It hasn't leaked any coolant yet. Oh, just stripped it. It hasn't leaked any coolant, which is really good. So at the moment, the eBay radiator seems to be really good. I'm really pleased with how it turned out. The only issue is those bits at the bottom. They don't line up at all, and it's not going to line up for some reason. They just would not, like, it just wouldn't flex in that direction. It just, I have no idea why. So keep that in mind. I could not keep that going, so you may not be able to either. For some reason, my car only has one fan. There's like a plug here, and I don't know if that's for a fan or not. Who knows? But yeah, hope. And I really want to install cold air intake, the one that sits around there. I want to put a new exhaust on, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Thinking about getting it done professionally, I just recommend just do it by yourself. Like, as long as you've got like some of the basic tools. I didn't really have like proper jack stands or anything, but I still was able to do it. But yeah, I just recommend just giving it a go, because I think anyone can do it, and it's not a terribly difficult thing to do. So why not just give it a go? If it doesn't work, which it probably will, you can always get it done professionally again. But I haven't had a problem, and I'm a rookie. It's like my first car. I know stuff about cars, but I don't at the same time. Like, I don't know how to do this stuff. Never done it before. And I did it, and I'm making a video of it, so it's like a rookie video. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and please subscribe, like, comment, whatever you want to do. And if I can get more viewers, because I know my last video's got like 8 views on it, so it's kind of disappointing. But yeah, I hope I've earned a subscriber. But if you do enjoy, you want me to continue, please subscribe and enjoy. See ya.